So in the past recent weeks or days, I've been making a lot of videos about the best online banks, or I've been reviewing these banking apps, and so I think it would be good to now compile them in this video and list the best 5 banking apps right now. And this will be for personal use, as I already made a video about 4 days ago about the best business bank accounts. Now, so far on this channel, I've covered about 17 different bank accounts, and as you guys may already know, interest rates are at almost zero right now, and so I found a couple banks that I thought were very good in terms of how competitive they still were, the interest rates they offered, the customer service, the features, and now I'm going to make everything really easy by listing the top 5 bank accounts or apps that I've reviewed here on the channel so far. And if you've been thinking about these bank accounts or apps, then this list should help getting you to decide on which account or apps you want to sign up for. Now, I want you guys to drop me a comment down below before I even start talking about the top 5 and tell me of all the banks or apps that I've talked about here on the channel, which ones are your favorites? Which ones are you using, or which ones did you sign up for? Let me know in the comments down below. And also, if you're new to the channel, my name is Ian, and on this channel I talk a lot about making money, saving money, banking apps and the accounts, credit cards, investments, and all things personal finance related. So if you're interested in these topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the notifications when you do so. And that way you'll be able to get the updates when I post new videos here. And I post a new video here every single day on YouTube. If you check my history of posting videos here, you'll see that I post a new video here at around the same time every single day. Now, the first account I want to mention or recommend on this list is the Discover Cashback debit card and checking account. Now, the Discover Cashback debit account is basically a checking account linked to a debit card, and this account comes with no fees. The account is free. The Discover Cashback debit account boasts 1% cashback on all purchases up to $3,000 per month. Now, the downside is that there is no interest on the cashback debit account. So if you decide to keep money in the account, although you will benefit from 1% cashback on all purchases you make using the debit card, the funds left in that account won't profit from any interest, or it won't bear you any interest. However, although you won't get any interest from the money left in the checking account, Discover also has a savings account which is offering the third or the second highest interest rate right now, and that's only 0.6% APY. So it's still less than 1%. So for this reason, this checking account with a debit card that earns you 1% cash back is one of the best accounts to have right now. And I can tell you that this account is really good because I actually personally use it myself. Now, as for the account or the features of the account, there is no minimum required balance to open or to keep the account. The account is totally free, and in my opinion, that's one of the best advantages of the Discover Cashback debit account. Now, if you need standard checks, you will get them at no additional cost as well. You can use the account to pay bills online, transfer money to other accounts, set up direct deposit, and also receive ACH transfers and payments. Now, other perks which are included and are totally free includes replacement cards, expedited delivery for card replacement, and official bank checks. Discover's ATM network currently covers over 800,000 locations, so you should be covered for getting cash anywhere you are. Now, if you use the in-network ATMs, you won't be charged any fees for that service either. Stop orders also come at no additional charges, and if you want to close the account, unlike some other banks, you won't be charged any account closure fees. Now, if you want to see a full review of this account, check the links down below in the description to the video reviewing this one, and also all the banks that I'm going to be mentioning here, or all the banking apps that I'll be mentioning here in this video. I'll be leaving links to the full reviews of them all down below. So if you find any on this list that you want more information on, then just check the links down below for more info. The second account I want to mention is the SOFI Money account, which is a hybrid account. Now, hybrid means it's a mix of a checkings account and a savings account at the same time, offering the most of the benefits of both in one single account. So with that said, the SOFI Money Cash Management account offers you interest that you would likely get on a savings account, but with the checking account features such as a debit card. Hence the term hybrid. So this would be the same as having a checking account and a savings account separately at a bank, but instead here you would have to switch funds in between the accounts to get the benefits from each. Now with SOFI Money, it's so much simpler, and the one single account does it all in terms of checking account benefits, and savings account benefits. Now, as for the features of the account includes, well, it's a feeless account to begin with, so there's no minimum balance required and no account maintenance fees or fees for using the services of your account. There are no foreign transaction fees. ATM charges are refunded to you, and you can get around 0.4% APY from this hybrid account right now. Now, the app is also very good and easy to use, and if you use the link down below, you'll also receive a bonus of around $50 for free just for signing up for the account. So that's also another plus to consider here. Now, 0.6 and 0.4% APY isn't much, and so the next account I want to mention is one I've reviewed here, I think yesterday or the day before, which is the Chime app. You can get 1% APY on your savings in your Chime savings account. Now, Chime also has a cool feature where it will automatically round up the purchases from your debit card to the nearest dollar and save the difference. So for example, let's say you bought fuel for your car and it cost you $54.50 to do the fill up. Chime would then round off that purchase to $55 and then save the difference or put it in your savings account, and that difference in this case would be 50 cents. So Chime is free, you don't pay any fees, and I really like the account, but the biggest drawback I found with that account was that they don't have on-call over the phone customer support. So if that's going to be an issue for you, then I wouldn't recommend this one. But if that's not a big deal to you, then this is one of the best accounts to have right now because of the high interest rate and the features that it offers. Now, moving on to higher interest, that brings us to the T-Mobile Money account, which offers you 4% in interest, which is mind-blowing right now. Now, this account isn't just for T-Mobile customers. Anyone can sign up for the account, but the only difference is as a T-Mobile customer, you'll get 4% APY, but if you're not, then you'll receive 1% API, which is still one of the highest available right now. Now, if you are a T-Mobile wireless customer, then you'll receive an overdraft protection service known as We've Got Your Back. And with that overdraft protection service, you'll get $50 in overdraft protection. The debit cards that come with the account are free and you pay no ATM fees once you use an ATM machine, which is in the Allpoint network. And these ATMs are everywhere, probably one of the most popular ATM networks around in America right now, so you should have no problem finding one of these ATMs. So even if you aren't already a T-Mobile customer, the account is really good, and if you are a customer, then it's super good for you. Again, guys, if you'd like to see the full review of this or any other account on this list, then be sure to check the links down below to them. Now, the final account, or the last one I want to mention here, is the VERO account. Now, the APY here ranges from 1.2% to 2.8%. The account is free and has a lot of good features, which includes a 24/7 customer support line. They charge you no account maintenance fees every month. There are no overdraft fees up to $50, and there is no minimum balance required. So if you decide to drain your account to zero one day and keep it at zero for a while, then you won't be charged any fees to do so. Now, if I were to put all these accounts in order, starting with the best first, I would go with them in this order. Number 1, Discover Bank Checking, right? Number 2, SOFI Money account. Number 3, the VERO account. Number 4, T-Mobile Money account. And at 5, Chime account. Now, I hope you guys liked this video and it was helpful. And if you'd like to see more videos just like this one about accounts, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that way you'll be able to see new videos that I post. And remember, guys, I post videos here every single day on YouTube. Don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. I'll really appreciate it, and that's how these videos get recommended and can potentially help more people as well. Also, guys, I'm leaving some more links down below to free stuff and free cashback offers, so be sure to check all the links down below in the description for all kinds of free stuff, right? Now, if you're a new subscriber or viewer here on the channel, be sure to check out some of my other videos. I have them on high-yield savings accounts, checking accounts, investments, credit cards, and of course, ways that you can use and make money. Also, guys, I want to tell you about WEBULL, which is a free and easy-to-use investment app or platform. And if you use the link that I've left down below in the description to sign up, deposit $100 in the stock market, invest in anything you want to, you'll get 3 free stocks that can be valued at over $1,600. And when you get those free stocks, you keep them if you like them. If not, you sell them, you withdraw the cash, or use the money to purchase other stocks that you would prefer. Once again, guys, all the best with your banking, getting interest, and the apps, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.